Today, I will walk you through how to commission our hybrid inverters. In our demonstration system, everything is already connected: the battery storage, photovoltaic modules, and the smart meter. The inverter is set up and ready for commissioning. To get started, you'll need the LEDVANCE RE app, which you can download from the App Store and Play Store. First, plug in the data logger to the inverter so you can access your system remotely. The data logger included in your package can connect via LAN cable or Wi-Fi. If you need a 4G connection, we can provide a compatible data logger separately. Open the app and tap the Me menu at the bottom right. Then go to Tools and select Wi-Fi Configuration. You will see 3 ways to connect the data logger to the internet. Scan the QR code on the data logger, connect via Bluetooth, or use a hotspot. For this video, we'll use the QR code method. Just scan the QR code on the data logger. When prompted, enter the password 12345678. Next, choose your Wi-Fi network and type in the network password. Once you see the message confirm, your system is connected. The next step is to configure the inverter according to your requirements. Go back to the Me menu, select Tools, and then Local Parameters Setting. Choose LDVF2, then select your inverter from the list. Your inverter's name starts with INV _ followed by its serial number, which you'll find on the gray label on the inverter. If you're the installer, select Installer, create a password, and confirm it. Here, you can set the time and date for the inverter. Tap Next Step. Now select your battery type, click on Battery Model. If you're using LEDVANCE batteries, choose Pylon _ HV. That is the communication protocol for our batteries. On the next page, set up your meter. The meter type is selected automatically, and by default, the installation location is set to grid side, as shown in the user manual. Tap Next Step again to set up the grid. Select your local grid code according to your regulations. In our example, we're choosing the French grid code because our demo system is set up in France. Confirm and tap Next Step. The last page lets you select the inverter's work mode. We recommend self-use mode for the most efficient household energy management. Here, you can set charging and discharging times for the battery. We'll deactivate charging time so the system runs fully autonomously. You can always adjust the work mode based on your needs. Please check the user manual for more details. Once you've selected the work mode, click Complete. The quick setting page will guide you to your PV system overview. Now we can create the plan in the LEDVANCE RE app. Tap the plus sign at the top right to add a new system. Scan the QR code of the data logger with your phone's camera. Enter your PV system details, like the name and the capacity of the installed modules. You can also upload a photo to help identify the installation, which is helpful if you manage multiple systems. Next, enter the address, specify the time zone, and add your name. For amortization calculations, you can enter the customer's electricity price and choose the currency. Tap Create and confirm your time zone. Tap Done on the top right corner and your plant will now be visible in the app. For more information about our inverters, please visit our website.